Hey, this is Marco, and I'm going to show you how to cancel VET-TV subscription.
Hello everybody, this
Before I
is
show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically what you want to do is go to this link and it's going to take you to manage your subscription. And then just follow on-screen instructions to cancel it. If you are on Apple iOS or Apple TV, we need to follow these steps. So basically just click on your name, go to settings, tap on your name, tap subscriptions, and then just cancel this subscription. If you want to do it via Google Android Play Store, it's going to take you automatically to this website, and you'll just click a button, cancel subscription, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.